You can see on this account that I've created a bunch of labels over here: conversation history, dust mop, family. I have testing and toilet brush. Well, I can get rid of them one at a time by clicking the three dots and hit remove label, or I can hit the star over here, this rocket, go to see all settings, go to labels, scroll down to the ones that I added, and I can just simply hit the remove right there and real quickly on each individual one. So it'll take 2 clicks actually to be able to get rid of them here, and I don't have to go do this from the home page. Either way, this takes 2 clicks here. And let's go back here and see if I go over here and if I click on that and hit remove, it takes 3 clicks from here. Click, remove, and 3. So either do it from the home page in 3 clicks or go to settings and then see all settings and go to labels. And over here, it only takes 2 clicks to remove it from here. Hey, I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail guy. I hope this is helpful for you.